Welcome back. I'm here at Juice by Julie on Avenue M, and I'm meeting with my client, Alan Mala. He is the owner, so one of the perks of this job is that we get to meet here, and I'm obsessed with their acai bowls, so I get to have one while we review. Follow me. Hello.
Stacy, what's doing? How are you?
Good, and you?
Good to see you.
You excited for today?
Yes, very.
Just to pick out all your public fixtures?
Very excited.
Me too. So, I know
Finally got you here. End of August. I guess it took an acai bowl at the end of August to get you here.
Well, you know I'm obsessed with them. It's like my favorite thing on earth.
We have it ready.
Yay! My favorite.
So what are we doing today?
Today we are gonna head over to Home & Stone. We're gonna pick out your plumbing fixtures.
Okay.
I brought all your tiles so we can match everything up. We'll talk more about it there. And I think we should hop on a call with Larry here first and see where he's at in terms of the construction.
Very good.
All right.
You know my wife wants that special sink, right? Let's make sure we.
I know. I will make sure that we get that for sure.
Okay. Very good.
Totally advocating for her today. Don't worry.
Very good. What else?
After that, after Home & Stone, we'll see where we're at time-wise, and if we could hop over to the house and take a look at that, that would be great. That way we can meet with Larry in person, and he can go over everything that he needs from here on in.
Very good.
Hello. Hey, Stace, what's up?
What's up?
Awesome.
Okay, good.
I got your samples here ready.
Perfect. Adina, this is Alan. Alan, this is Adina.
You ready for us?
Yeah, I'm ready. Let's do it.
Which one do you like? I like it. I like this. I like
it too.
this clean knob.
So do we like the little knob handle? Or do you like the lever handle? I have both of these out, just not wall mounted.
So
Let's
can we
look at
go
them.
see
Come
them?
in.
Okay, let's take a look.
So let's talk faucet. What do you want to see on top of here?
Okay, so now that's the other thing, because we have a wall-mounted faucet right, and it's literally right across the way. But what I'm thinking of is maybe the same faucet, and just
Have it on the counter.
right, and the position of the sink is just different. Because I can't have it on the wall. There is a possibility that there's going to be a window falling into this area.
Got it. So the question is, 2 of these or 2 smaller ones? This is huge. It's huge. I just asked her. I said, honey, it's very big.
And what'd she say?
How big?
Well,
She goes,
listen.
Stacy knows. I mean, it looks huge.
We have this size
Very big.
also.
This is bigger than that.
This is bigger than this one.
Huge.
So
I mean, this looks like more of a normal size.
it is neater. I like the
It's
tighter.
neater. I don't like that. I feel like that
So,
looks unraveled already.
Okay, so this one I like,
Okay, so
and we'll do it in chrome.
good. So let's choose our tub.
Okay.
Let's choose our faucet style.
Okay.
Then we'll decide what we want inside the shower.
Mhm.
And then it is easy.
Right. Exactly.
Then you have that one collection from Brizo.
Oh, show me that,
Okay.
because that one collection from Brizo might work. I don't think it has to match
Doesn't have to match
exactly.
exactly, and I like the look.
And
of
I
this
like the
faucet. I
look
think
of that
otherwise-
faucet.
You have a handheld that you can remove, use,
Okay.
put back.
And then you have the body sprays.
Okay. So between the 2, the one on the wall, and then
Between the
top.
4.
Yeah,
you
between
should get
you're gonna have plenty of water. We're done.
So I think we're done.
Are you happy
Yeah,
with
you
everything that
happy?
we chose? Do you feel good about
I
it?
feel very good.
So do I.
All done without my wife being present, so hopefully she's gonna be happy. But
She'll be very happy.
I think
I'm very
We'll get her
confident. I'm very
approval.
confident that she'll be very happy. We're back at Rachel's house, and we're gonna check on all the progress we've made in the powder room, the kitchen, the master bedroom, and the master bathroom. I can't wait to see. We haven't been here in a while. Specifically here though, to talk to her contractor, go over some lighting, and also go over what the painter has to do when he hangs the wallpaper. Let's go inside. And how amazing are these? Don't they look gorgeous? And you don't know what's coming. The fabric that we chose for over the window to incorporate it have all the colors of the lights. This is gonna be super cool. So we're in the kitchen, and we have a little bit more of a completed look from the last time. The floors are all done and much brighter than what was here before, along with the countertops, which really brighten up this kitchen, which was exactly what the goal was. We're gonna go over the placement of the lighting next with her contractor.
It's like 5 inches.
So 5
Bottom
inches,
here.
and then this
5
one do
inches
4, then this one do 4 inches.
4 inches. All right.
4 inches, so they're not
Okay.
exactly the
inches,
same.
make
And then let's figure out, and you could, right, if we figure out the bottom height of this, you'll just deduct
Right,
the
deduct
5
4
inches here and the 4 inches here. So let's see. The table's at 30 inches from the ceiling will be the bottom of the
bottom of
center
the
light. And then that one will be at 26. And that one will be at 25. And I think that'll be perfect. Like the color is just, this is insane. Very exciting. Okay, so then with these, for over the table, things should all hang at the same exact height. I'm standing in her powder room, and as you can see behind me, they finished tiling that wall. The black, white, and gold stripe is just spectacular, and I can't wait for the rest of the fixtures to come in. We're still waiting for the vanity and some lighting, but this powder room is truly a jewelry box. We're in the master bedroom, and I wanted to show you the custom closet that I designed. It's made out of walnut. It has a white border on the top, the same white border on the bottom. It's gonna frame out the unit, especially when the walls are contrasted in another color with wallpaper. And we made sure to give this girl everything she needs for her wardrobe. Shallow shelving for her shoes and her sweaters to be folded on a shelf, hanging, long hanging, jewelry drawers, a spot for display, and we took care of her husband as well and gave him some closet space too. Let's go check out the progress in the master bathroom. I think you guys are gonna love it. We used a very serene wood looking tile for the majority of the bathroom, and then to give it more interest, we introduced the marble mosaic that we have only in the shower floor and the shower wall, and the contrast between the edginess of the color story in the marble and the serenity of the wood tile is just the perfect marriage of zen with an edge. So we're at the end of this episode. I really hope you liked what you've seen so far. I can't wait to show you more. And I'd love to hear from you out there. Comment, questions, anything design related. Conversations about design are always so much fun, especially with me.